Why we celebrate Pi Day? Pi Day is celebrated on March 14, which represents the first 3 digits of the mathematical constant pi, which is approximately equal to 3.14159. Pi Day is a day to celebrate mathematics and its importance in our lives. Pi is a mathematical constant that represents the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. Pi Day was first celebrated by physicist Larry Shaw in 1988 at the San Francisco Exploratorium. Since then, Pi Day has become an annual celebration of mathematics and science in schools, universities, and other educational institutions around the world. Different authors may have different opinions about the value of pi. Throughout history, mathematicians have been fascinated by the value of pi and have attempted to calculate its exact value. Here are some opinions on the value of pi from some well-known mathematicians. Archimedes, circa 287 to 212 BC. Archimedes was one of the first mathematicians to approximate the value of pi. He used a method of inscribing and circumscribing polygons around a circle to calculate that pi was between 3.1408 and 3.1429. Archimedes observed that polygons drawn inside and outside a circle would have perimeters somewhat close to the circumference of the circle. Isaac Newton, 1642 to 1727. Isaac Newton was one of the most influential mathematicians in history. He calculated pi to 16 decimal places using a series method that he developed. Leonhard Euler, 1707 to 1783. Leonhard Euler was a Swiss mathematician who made many contributions to the field of mathematics. He developed a continued fraction representation of pi and calculated its value to over 200 decimal places. Srinivasa Ramanujan, 1887 to 1920. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician who made significant contributions to the field of mathematics, including his work on the value of pi. He developed many formulas for pi, including one that calculates pi to 17 decimal places using just a few terms. John von Neumann, 1903 to 1957. John von Neumann was a Hungarian-American mathematician who made contributions to many fields, including mathematics, physics, and computer science. He developed a Monte Carlo method for approximating the value of pi using random numbers. Overall, the value of pi has been studied and calculated by mathematicians for thousands of years, and it remains an important and fascinating constant in the field of mathematics.